Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi everyone. In this video you will learn how to scale a drawing in AutoCAD. So if we have a PDF drawing, this is a PDF, and you want to export this drawing to AutoCAD and draw the exact drawing in AutoCAD with the same dimensions. So what we will do? So go to AutoCAD, go to Insert. Since the drawing is in PDF, so click on PDF underlay and select the drawing. Here I have given it the name of one room, open, and I want to rotate this drawing, so give it a 90-degree rotation. OK, and click anywhere. Now you can see that this is the PDF drawing. Now as you can see that this dimension is 15 feet. So first of all I will change the units to feet. So for unit press UN command, and here it is architecture, and inches it is already set, so press OK. Now press D for dimension style and press enter. Here modify the units and also change the units here to architecture and precision to ½ inch. Right. Also change the size of the text. Here I have given size 6 inches and give it a 3-inch arrow size and press OK and then close. Now I want to check the dimension of this line. In the actual drawing in the PDF it is 15 feet while I have pasted it here. So I want to know the dimension of this drawing in this AutoCAD interface. So I click on this dimension and choose here. Now you can see that the dimension of this line is 65 feet and 10.5 inch while the actual size is 15 feet. Now I have to draw the same drawing with the same dimension, so I will reduce the size of this drawing as the actual size is 15 feet. So how can I do this? Simply press SC for scale command, right? SC. Now select object. So I want to select this object and press enter. Now specify a base point. So I choose this point. Now here you can see in the command bar they specify scale factor or copy or reference. So I want to refer this scale, so I click reference scale. Now specify reference length. So what is my reference length? This is my reference length, 65 feet 10.5 inches. So I write it here and press enter. Now it requires that specify the new length. Since I want this length to be 15 feet, so the new length should be 15 feet. Give 15 feet and press enter. Now you can see that the drawing has been reduced. Now if I want to measure where this is 15 feet or not, so I simply press on dimension and you can see that it is now 15 feet. Similarly, you can check the other dimension as well. Press space to activate the previous command and click here. So you can see that 20 feet. So the drawing has been reduced to the actual scale, right? Delete this one. Now if you can draw this, so it will be of the same scale as the previous one. Now you can draw it easily with the exact dimensions. So this is all about reference scale. Thank you for watching this video.